Alright.
Intro.
Alright. Hey, this is Blake here at FTD. Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs, and today I'm going to be going over some questions not questions really, some general information. Bro! I'm going to start it. Ah!
And this is just...
I've got an 18.5 fat front. Wow, I'm like a real YouTuber now. Let's crack straight into it. That's what a guy I used to watch says. Do anything to the... important note here. Important note. Or chrome or titanium if you're feeling frisky. Anything is possible. Delete that. Why are you looking at me? Am I ice? Oh! What? Why? You kidding me? Wow. So there's actually we have.
Have you ever had a dream that you
All right, that was weird. Wow. I am gonna say something different though, because I am tired of saying the same shit.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I don't know. I'm just gonna make it up on the fly. I think that's pretty much it. Subscribe. Delete that.